Hi, welcome to Into Health, and today we're gonna do some exercises for the neck, okay? So these are simple stretching exercises that you do on the neck, and you can do them also on the desk as you're working, taking breaks every 20-30 minutes. So you're trying to sit upright by bringing the knees down and pushing the chest forward so that the neck is not forward. You want to bring the chest bone up so that the neck is in line with the rest of the back. And as you're here, you're gonna look down towards the floor, looking up towards the ceiling. Look straight ahead. Make sure you roll your shoulders back and squeeze the shoulder blades together. You're looking towards the right as far as you can go, and then you're looking towards the left as far as you can go. You come back to the center, you try to touch the right ear towards the right shoulder without lifting the shoulder. So you're dropping the head down and then come back up, and you're doing it on the other side. And come back up. You're gonna do it one more time. So you're gonna look down towards the floor, looking up towards the ceiling, look straight ahead, look towards your right, look towards your left. Look straight ahead, right ear towards the right shoulder without lifting the shoulder, left ear towards the left shoulder without lifting the shoulder. And then you can bring your shoulders up and drop them back, shoulders up and drop them back, up and drop them back. And then you do the other rotation, so you're bringing them from the back forward. Okay. Now, you're bringing the chin towards the right shoulder, and then you're dropping the chin and you're trying to make a semicircle going towards the left shoulder. And then you're gonna go back towards the right shoulder, and you're gonna do it one more time. This time you're gonna do it slower. If you get to a point where you're feeling the pain, drop the shoulders back, and then just continue so you're aligned, a stretch. And you're using the weight of the head to sort of stretch that part of the neck. Then you're coming back. When you get to a point where you're feeling the pinch, just drop the shoulders back, drop the head, and then continue. And then come back to the center. Now you can also add, so this is the ones that you want to do while you're on the desk, just giving yourself a little bit of a stretch on the neck and the upper shoulders. You can also do what is called METs, so you're doing a little bit of resistance as you're moving the head towards certain directions. So you're trying to move the head towards the right, you're going a third of your, so if from here you can turn to here, you go to a third of that, and you're placing your hand on the right cheek, and you're trying to resist with 20% of your strength. So you're trying to push the head towards the right shoulder, and you're resisting it with the hand. You're doing this for 10 seconds, and then you release. You're bringing 60%, hand on the cheek, and you're trying to push the head towards the right while you're resisting it with the hand, 20% of your strength. And then come back to the center, go to the end of the range of movement, place the hand there and push the head so that you're trying to bring the head as close as you can towards the right, resisting, and come back. You do it to the other side, 30% hand, 20% of the strength, 10 seconds here, and release. 60%, so at 2/3 of the range of movement. Place the hand on the cheek, try to turn the head towards the left with 20% of your strength, and release. You can also do it with the other hand if you prefer. End of the movement, you can also do it with the other hand, and try to resist. And same here. Now you're gonna do it looking down. So if this is the end of your range of movement, you're starting here, place your hand on the forehead, try to press down onto the, so looking down towards the floor, 20% of your strength, and release. 2/3 of the range of movement, press, and release, all the way down, press, and release. On the back, so if you're looking up like that, you're placing the hand at the back of the head, 1/3 of the range of movement, press down onto the hand, resisting with the hand, and release. Go down a little bit more, press down, and release all the way down. Be careful, and release. And then you're trying to bring the ear towards the shoulder. So again, if this is the end of your range of movement, start 1/3, and then from here press down and release. Come back 2/3, press down and release all the way down, press down and release, and the other side. So 1/3 of the range of movement and release, 2/3 of the range of movement and release, and all the way down and release. Okay, so this is to basically start creating a little bit of strengthening onto the muscles, and also increase the range of movement and reduce the pain. Okay, so you can add those at the end of the day or at the beginning of the day while you're at a desk. You're doing the first part where you're just doing the range of movement. Okay, if you've got any questions, just comment below and I'll be very happy to answer. And if you like this video, just subscribe so that you get all the videos that are coming next, either with yoga or exercises for injuries. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.